Welcome back, all you artists. Today, let's do a rainbow. Okay, so to start our rainbow, first you want to draw a couple of clouds at the bottom here. And clouds come in all shapes and sizes. All you want to do is draw some soft, curvy lines like this. And there you have two clouds. Now the fun part, you get to pick any colors you want. And all you have to do is go from one cloud in a big arch to the other cloud. You can even go back to make that line a little thicker if you want. And that's where you start. Now you just keep picking new colors and stacking them on top of each other, just following the previous color. And you go back and forth with new colors over and over. And you'll see you're already starting to make what looks like a rainbow. You know, one of the favorite parts of when it rains, no matter how cold, no matter how wet, no matter how gloomy it looks outside, you can always look up when it's done and see a beautiful rainbow. And to draw one, it's as easy as picking a new color and following where the old color was. You can see that didn't take very long at all. And you have a rainbow. It was easy, right? You just pick a new color and you just keep going from one cloud to the other cloud and use any color you want. It can be as unique as you want it to be.